Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can add a border to chart in MS Word. Make sure adding a border to a chart in Microsoft Word can help it stand out from the rest of your document text. So first you need to click on the insert on the top menu bar and click on the chart. And now select your preferred chart. I'll be selecting this 3D stacked column chart and click OK to insert. So once it is inserted, remove the Excel sheet and right click and go to the format chart area. Expand the border and click on the solid line. Click the color of your choice, for example blue color. You can increase the width as you like it. And here it is. You can increase or decrease the transparency like this one. So if you want to add some gradient color, click on the gradient line and now select the preset gradients, for example orange, and you can select the type to the rectangular. You can choose the direction which you like, and now you can choose the second color from here, and this one is the blue. You can move it anywhere, and now you can also add another point to select the third color, which is the yellow one, and click over here to add another color to this dark gray, light gray. Add another color to the below, and on the right you can choose the green color. And if you don't like any color, for example gray, you need to click on this remove gradient stop. Click on that, it will be removed. So you can increase or decrease the transparency like this one, increase the brightness like this one. You can increase the thickness like this one. So this is pretty much easy, and I hope you understand how you can add a border to chart in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.